How to make a 3D Shopify website. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build your own 3D Shopify website. Now, how exactly can you do this? Is this coding based? Is this based on an application? Well, a lot of people use the coding method, which allows you to add a 3D image, but we're trying to build a 3D website. These are like two different concepts that a lot of people are mixing together. So if you just want to, add a 3D product image, that's going to be a different process. But if you want to build a 3D experience within your store, especially if you're selling luxury goods, if you're selling artistic goods, or if you have a very high value market, which is going to appreciate, those extra little accents in your website, then you definitely do want to use something like a 3D website. So we're going to be using an application to do this, and I'm going to break it down step by step. The first thing you're going to do is log on to your Shopify store. Once you're logged onto your Shopify store, you're going to click on apps on the left. Once you do that, you're going to click on apps and sales channel settings. And then once you do that, you're going to click on Shopify App Store on the top right. Now, when you click on Shopify App Store on the top right, this will open up the Shopify App Store. And you're just going to search for 3D. When you search for 3D over here, the first app you're going to see, or if you don't look at the ads, it's the third app, that is Odyssey 3D. This is the tool that actually allows you to build a complete virtual store. However, if you're looking for things like a 3D image for your product, then you can use Spin Studio. You also have Arty, which is 3D and AR. You also have Customizer 2D 3D, as well as Angle 3D. All of these focus primarily on changing the view of the product within its product page. But Odyssey 3D actually allows you to build a 3D store, which feels like a room or like a physical store. So you're going to click on Odyssey 3D over here, and keep in mind this is not free. If you scroll down, you will see you have a free version where you have 3D shop publishing, auto product linking, click to move, 3D embedded customization, multiple shop styles, and more. But on their Pro Lite version for only $10 a month, you have custom product selection, ambient music, as well as other options to further boost the 3D experience within your Shopify store. So now that we have taken a look at our application, we're just going to be clicking on install over here to install our app. Once we do that, a new tab is going to open up, and we're just going to click on install once more. Once we click on install once more, this will complete the installation process. And once the installation has been completed, we're just going to pin this to our navigation on the left. Once you've done that, you can click on Get Started over here. Now, after that, I am going to click on Submit. Once I click on Submit over here, we have the Forge as well as the free version. Totally depends on what you want. You can proceed with the Forge plan and you get a 1-month free trial as well. But I'm going to show you guys the free version so you guys can see what the free version entails and if you will require to upgrade after viewing the free features. So we're going to proceed with the free version, and the first step is to add a logo. I haven't designed a logo yet, so we're going to quickly design a logo on Canva. I'm just gonna quickly go into Canva and we're gonna search for logo, and I'm just going to build a very basic logo. I don't want anything too complicated. It just needs to say Coco anyways, so I'm just gonna open this template and going to add KK, which is going to be Coco, and we're going to take a look at our spacing, increase our spacing like this. And I'm just gonna space these out a little like so. And we're just gonna click on share, download only the first page, done. And with a transparent background, we're just gonna take our logo. Once we do that, we're gonna go back into our Shopify store and drop our logo over here. Then you can enter your tagline, which is going to be, let's say, shop luxe or luxury goods. And then we're going to click on Save Changes. Once we do that, we can choose a space. Now, Odyssey 3D provides you with quite a few different options on how you want your 3D store to look like, because obviously your 3D store is probably going to be trying to replicate the experience of your actual store. So you can actually see there are so many different options, and this is why I love Odyssey 3D. You can filter them out by a category or by the number of frames they have. So the highest number of frames probably means that you're going to have a very seamless experience when you're browsing. I personally have used a couple of these. I like all of them. I really think this is going to depend on the type of product you're selling as well as the niche that you are in. I'm going to go with the Viora theme, which is a new one, and I'm just going to click on select. We can click on preview to preview the store as well. Once we do that, we're going to click on next, and we're just going to go into our dashboard. And once we do that, our 3D store has been created. Now I'm going to go into online store, and on the free version, it does not allow you to customize which products you want to display. It just displays all the products you have in a order. So whatever, like the first 10, 15 products you have, those are going to be displayed. Then you're going to click on customize in your online store by opening up the Shopify website editor, then go into app embeds on the left. And we're just going to click on add section, click on apps, click on 3D shop experience. Now this will be added. I'm going to hold this and move this to the top of my store like this. So I want this just as the first thing, and then I'm just going to click on save. Now if I click on exit and click on view online store over here, I can click on enter our 3D experience, and once a customer presses on this, this will load up our 3D experience for our Shopify store. And once our 3D experience has been loaded up, this is what it's going to look like. So currently I only have one product in my store, so it's only displaying the same product over and over again, but you guys can see this is what it looks like, and the music is a bit loud. You guys can see on the top right, this also has settings so people can zoom in or out on the perspective. They have the mouse sensitivity and the mouse power, as well as vertical movement. And now people can just walk around in our store. They can have a complete experience of visiting our store as well. And if a person likes a product, they will have this button like this product button, and whenever they click on the product button, this will open up a pop-up. In that pop-up, they can click on go to product. Once they click on go to product, this would open up the product page so that the customer can proceed with viewing the details about the product and purchasing the product. And that is how simple and easy it is now to build a 3D experience for free for your customers. Once the customer is done viewing the experience, they can just click on exit. You can build this in the form of a separate page on Shopify if you prefer, or you can add it to your home page as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.